Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance. So that may answer your doubts or clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your mind about your circumstances. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We will see what are these cards first. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Wands, and Three of Cups. So, in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, in your work situation, maybe you expected certain things, maybe you wanted someone to complete certain work, but this person, though you thought of them greatly and they are skilled and talented, maybe something is wrong, maybe they are unable to complete the way you expected them to do. So you lack that trust on this person, maybe for that reason or maybe for some reason you feel that you cannot rely on anyone in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship, guys. Maybe you feel the way this person is today, you feel that you cannot trust them, you cannot understand what is there in their mind, and you may have some doubts on this person, Cancers. But you need to understand, guys, this person you love, maybe they have a lot going on in their mind. They have maybe they have some pressures in their career, so they have their own life path they need to carry on with. So they may have their own problems, anxieties, and worries. That may be the reason they speak in a particular way or behave in a particular way, but you may feel that they are not interested in you anymore. But the truth is, they are loyal, they are faithful, but they have a lot going on just like you, guys. That may be the reason they are behaving this way or speaking certain things in a particular way. That may give you an idea that you cannot rely or trust this person, but they are loyal towards you, guys, and they are really faithful towards this love, so you can trust them. That is what I see. And also, whatever difficulties you were facing, maybe in your work situation, maybe things were not going as expected, but there are some changes happening, something positive coming your way, and it may be an unexpected way things are taking shape in your career situation, guys. So things may take a change, a positive change in your work situation. So maybe there were some mistakes this person did, but something is rectifying this situation. Maybe circumstances are changing, and even in your relationship, you are having a good time with this person. Maybe you are spending an evening together, maybe going on a date or for dinner. So some positive changes are what I see, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So, are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So, in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that is that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong, but the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.